How do I overwinter my Mandevillas? This is Marcia on YouTube. So Doc, you know anything about Mandevillas
Well,
and overwintering them?
I do. They're tropical plants, so they cannot stand, really cool temperatures, anything I think below about 45, and they're not going to look too good. And definitely you need to move them in before the first frost because they're going to die. So I just move them in the house, put them in a sunny window, and they should be fine till next spring.
Okay. If they're in the ground, can you go ahead and dig those up and pot them and bring them in the house?
Yeah, sure can.
All right. And something else I would recommend doing too when you're bringing your plants in the house, flush them out with some water.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, just in case you have some ants or something
slugs.
in there. Yeah, I'll
Yeah,
definitely
pill
flush them
bugs.
out. Right.
Yep.
Just in case. I guarantee you're going to have critters in it. Yeah.
Tree frog. I brought in a tree frog one time.
Yeah, so I would definitely flush it out and bring it on in the house. But you said a sunny location.
Yeah, sunny window would be like west or southern exposure, because they're kind of highlight plants. So they might get a little dreary looking in the house during the summer, but they'd probably survive.
Okay. How much would you water it?
I would look at the soil, and make sure that it's needing water, because I think one of the first things that kills plants in the house is people just take too good a care of them as far as the water. So, I water them religiously once a week. Well, that doesn't work because, they may not need it once a week, especially your succulents and sedums and stuff. So I just do a visual, and if you can stick your finger down in the pot and, if you feel any moisture down in there with your finger, wait. Yeah.
I like that.
Yeah.
Now, when should they take it back out for the spring?
Oh, after the last frost date, which is in this region, 7, it's around 10th, 15th of April. But you have to watch the weather.
Yeah,
You need to watch the weatherman because it can be anywhere on, either side of that. So just watch the weather and don't move it out too soon.
Hope you enjoyed the video. We would love to get more questions from you. So be sure to leave us some comments.